Good morning, this is Mrs. Ciabattini. I want to welcome you to our first edition of our virtual Friday flag assembly, and I have some guests here with me. We have Mrs. Biernat, our assistant principal.
Good morning, boys and girls.
And Mr. Zanartu, our school counselor.
Great to see everyone.
So good to see you. We've created this weekly opportunity so students can hear the latest news and information, and you can get recognition for receiving Student of the Week and also some other awards for reading and math. It's so good to see you all when we pop into your classrooms. I'd love to see what you're learning and see all the new things that you're doing, and I know that you are having lots of fun with your teacher. Remember to always be a hero when you're in class, and that means helpful, encouraging, respectful, and outstanding.
So Coyotes, what's exciting about today, our first virtual Friday flag salute, is it's a very special Friday. Today's date is September the 11th, and every year September 11th is celebrated in the United States as Patriots Day. And the reason for that? Well, we have some very special people who work for our country in specific jobs that help one another, and that might be a firefighter or a policeman, a sheriff's officer, might be a doctor or nurse, anybody who helps people when they are in need. And we celebrate these people because they helped people in need on September 11th in 2001. So every year we recognize how hard they worked for the people they were trying to save, and we are so proud of their hard work that we commemorate them on this day.
So let's start with the flag salute. So please rise. Put your hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And since it's Friday, we have a couple jokes for you. What do you call a worm without teeth?
I don't know, Mrs. Ciabattini, what?
A gummy worm. And I have another one, Mrs. Biernat. Why is it hard to stop reading a book about anti-gravity?
Oh boy, I don't know. Why?
Because you can't put it down. Boys and girls, next we have Mr. Zanartu, and he's going to talk to you about some awesome mindset things that will help you learn better.
Well, good morning, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful first few weeks of school. Today's mindset is around a quote from Bruce Lee, and here's how the quote goes. Balance your thoughts with actions. If you spend too much time thinking about something, you'll never get it done. What this means is that we have to be organized with our work and balance all the things that we do. We have to remember that we actually have to do the things that we do. So whether it's being kind to our friends and family, doing our work in class, or completing our chores, make sure that you actually take action by doing it rather than just overthinking it. And the more you do things, you'll notice that every day things will become easier and easier. So work on doing actions, not just thinking about them. And that's just your mindset tip for this week. We'll see you next week, everyone.
All right, boys and girls, now we have some fun for you. I want to bring back Mrs. Biernat. She's got our birthday wishes.
Hi, boys and girls. We are so happy to wish these kids a happy birthday. Over the past few weeks, we've had quite a few birthdays. So here we go. Happy birthday to our kindergarteners. We have in kindergarten Paul, Peyton, Sebastian, Isaiah, Marigold, Brody, Ella R., Delilah, and Esther. In first grade, a very happy birthday goes to Lucas, Anthony, Tegan, Addison, Julius, Natalie, Chloe, Chance, Kelsey, Kennedy, and Layla. For second grade, happy birthday to Reed, Koa, and Valentina. In third grade, happy birthday to Michael, Samuel, Valentina, Drusella, Keegan, Drake, McKenna, Aiden, Miguel, and Kendall. To our fourth graders, happy birthday to Hannah, Taylor, Faith, Leanna, Carson, Aaliyah, Deegan, Giselle, Ethan, and Audrina. And last but not least, happy birthday to our 5th graders. We have River J, Mason, Aubrey, Jesus, Benjamin, Vivian, Jackson, Cade, Andrea, Eduardo, and Reese. Happy birthday, boys and girls. We hope you had great celebrations. Back to Mrs. Ciabattini about Coyote of the Week.
I also want to say happy birthday to all those great coyotes. Thank you for that. So every week we're going to be doing our Friday flag so that we get to bring you some new information. We're super excited to also tell you that next week will be our very first week where we recognize our Coyotes of the Week. And so if you are recognized, whatever week you are chosen, if you are recognized, you'll be getting one of our awesome Coyote bracelets, and that'll come home to you in your supply bag the next time you pick up supplies after your name is called. So we're excited for that. We know that you love those bracelets and collecting them in all kinds of colors. And I bet you're wondering, how do I earn a bracelet? Well, it's easy. To be a hero means to be helpful, and that means that you are getting up on time and helping your parents with some things, with getting your schoolwork done or with getting some chores done, and you're being encouraging to your classmates and your siblings and being nice and polite when you're working together, because sometimes it's hard to be in the same house with your siblings all day when you're trying to learn, but we need to do really well at that. And then being respectful to your peers and your teacher when she asks you to get a paper and be ready, and to not fidget with your things when she's teaching. Those are the kinds of ways we can show respect. And then just be outstanding. Just do everything that you can to do the right thing. We all know that you can't be perfect, but we know that trying our best is a good start at all of that. So we miss you all. We hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and it's great to see all of you in your classes, and we'll be looking for you. Have a great weekend.